y'all. Happy Easter. I wish you guys have a great time. So as you can see, I am in my second living room. I did not have a chance to decorate this area, so I want to post a Easter home tour. I want this area to be added to the tour. So we're going to get it decorated and then it can be added. Okay, that's what we're doing in this video today. So make sure you guys like the video, share the video, leave me a comment, and don't forget, guys, hype the video. Hype the video for me, please. When you hype the video, YouTube push it to more people, because lately my videos, the views are really low lately. So help me hyping the videos. It really helped. Thank you in advance. And if this is your first time to this channel and you love home decor, you made it to the right channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn your post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this place decorated.
Yeah, bestie, would you hate me if I asked if you to date me? If I wrote a letter where I told you how I'm feeling, would you wanna meet me where I'm at to see if we could go much deeper, or could you never? Yeah, I know it's stupid, jeopardize it all, but it's a risk we're taking. Fucking crazy the way I'm thinking about you lately. wanna do you. You always got me rocking in a good mood. Fire in my engine. Can you feel the tension? Can you feel the tension? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? I adore you. I just wanna tell you, I adore you. I just need to let you know I adore you. 24/7, I've got you in my mind. You're the only one. All the time, I adore you. Yeah, I adore you. 24/7, I've got you in my mind. Baby girl, I think about you all the time. I adore you. Yeah, I adore you. Yeah. 24/7, I got you in my mind. Baby girl, I think about you all the time. I adore you. Yeah, I adore you. Yeah. I adore you. I adore you. I adore you. I adore you.
Timothy, it's time to take over.
Thought that I'd be healing